Hello there and welcome to Fairyland Cottage, and thanks very much for joining me here today. It's a new day, the birds are singing their dawn chorus and the sun will rise as always. I thought I'd share a very simple, minimal morning at home, starting off with, for me, the most important start to the day with meditation. Meditation helps to ease anxiety, stress and fear, and can really help control the mind. After, I get washed and dressed and head outside for some fresh air and exercise. I know a lot of you at this time can't physically go outside, so I hope you're doing okay indoors and getting the exercise that you need to keep your body and your mind well. And I hope you enjoy these little ramblings around the land. It's at times like this that we can embrace the simplicity of living. Dr. Glasser talks about how everybody has a quality world, and this contains all the things that we love, and everybody's quality world is as unique as their DNA. And at a time like this, a lot of people have had things taken out of their quality world very quickly. So what's helped me is to add things into my quality world that I'm able to do right now and that I enjoy. We may also find that some things that have been taken out of our quality world that we don't really need and that weren't really serving us. And as life goes back to normal soon, we can choose what we reintroduce back into our world. It's springtime in Ireland, so there's new nettle leaves. These are packed full of nutrition, and they're easy to pick and use in soups or teas. They're also a weed that can be found almost everywhere. They are very special indeed. It always gets me thinking how something that can be considered completely mundane or a weed or a nuisance can actually be of such value. When you live a simple, sustainable life, most of your day is made up by doing very simple activities to look after yourself during that day. So collecting the twigs that will start the fire, collecting some vegetables or some herbs that I'm going to use that day, and taking each moment as it comes. We don't read newspapers, but my parents do, and so we are always able to reuse their newspapers for starting the fire. What I find very beneficial at this time is using this kind of downtime as a way to experiment and get more resourceful. So as we have less things in our life, we can find that we need to be very creative of what we have and what we will use that for. So finding fun in such a minimal way of living can be so beneficial to our life. For me, it adds a real richness. Because we don't always know what's going to happen in the future. We never know what we're going to be faced with. All we know is that we can choose how we're going to respond to the situation we have at hand. After meditating and a walk, I'll always have a nice breakfast, some whole grains, some nuts and seeds and berries to nourish my body and get me ready for the day. So I'd love to know how you're starting your morning, and let me know how you're doing below or on Instagram. As always, I'm always here for you. Stay well, have a great week, and I'll see you in the next video.